Discover how additive manufacturing metrology is revolutionizing quality control in 3D printing. From aerospace to medical devices, learn how advanced measurement technologies ensure precision, reliability, and safety in additive manufacturing, perfect for engineers, manufacturers, students, and anyone interested in understanding how 3D printing quality is maintained at the highest standards. Welcome to Consumer Times. Today, we're diving into a fascinating world where precision meets innovation, additive manufacturing metrology. If you've ever wondered how 3D printed parts for aircraft, medical implants, or automotive components maintain their quality and safety standards, this episode is for you. Let's explore how measurement science is transforming the future of manufacturing. Additive manufacturing, commonly known as 3D printing, has revolutionized how we create products. Unlike traditional manufacturing that removes material through cutting or drilling, additive manufacturing builds objects layer by layer from digital designs. This technology is creating everything from airplane engine parts to custom medical implants, from automotive components to architectural models. However, with great innovation comes great responsibility, and this is where metrology enters the picture. Metrology is the science of measurement. In additive manufacturing, metrology ensures that every printed part meets exact specifications, functions correctly, and maintains safety standards. When a 3D printed titanium hip implant is placed inside a patient's body, or when a printed turbine blade operates in a jet engine at extreme temperatures, absolute precision isn't just important, it's literally a matter of life and death. This is why additive manufacturing metrology has become one of the most critical fields in modern industrial technology. Traditional manufacturing processes have well-established quality control methods developed over decades. However, additive manufacturing presents unique challenges. Manual measuring tools like calipers and physical gauge kits only measure one geometric feature at a time and don't capture data digitally, making them time-consuming and labor-intensive for complex 3D printed parts. The layer-by-layer printing process can introduce defects that traditional manufacturing would never encounter. Common defects include cracks, foreign material inclusion, and unsatisfactory fusion within components, which can lead to complete part failure. Moreover, additive manufacturing often produces complex internal geometries and intricate structures that cannot be inspected using conventional external measurement methods. In terms of dimensional accuracy, additive manufacturing typically achieves about 100 microns with positioning accuracy of about 20 microns, which requires sophisticated measurement technologies to verify. Modern additive manufacturing metrology employs several cutting-edge technologies. First is coordinate measuring machines, or CMMs. These precision instruments use probes to measure the physical geometrical characteristics of parts. CMMs provide highly accurate dimensional data regardless of part size, material, finish, or complexity, making them ideal for final part inspection. Second is X-ray computed tomography, revolutionizing how we inspect 3D printed parts. X-ray computed tomography helps analyze complex internal and external geometry non-destructively, independent of size, weight, density, and material. This technology allows manufacturers to see inside parts without cutting them open, detecting internal voids, cracks, and material inconsistencies that would be invisible to external inspection methods. Third is optical 3D scanning, which has become essential for quality control. Laser triangulation and structured light scanners are the two primary optical 3D scanning technologies used in additive manufacturing inspection. Modern handheld scanners can capture over 1 million measurement points per second, creating detailed 3D digital twins of scanned objects. These scanners bring inspection directly to the production line, enabling real-time quality control. Microscopy analysis provides another critical layer of quality assurance. High-resolution microscopy examines powder particle characteristics, microstructure, layer structure, and potential pore formation. Since powder quality directly affects the final build quality, understanding powder particle size distribution, shape, and density becomes crucial for preventing defects. Quality control in additive manufacturing begins before printing even starts. Size distribution of individual powder particles influences how powder is compacted and affects build density and the possibility of defects visible later in the process. Manufacturers use microscopy and CT scanning to characterize powder quality before it enters the printing chamber. During the printing process, in-process monitoring systems track temperature distribution, thermal gradients, and layer formation in real time. These systems can detect anomalies as they occur, allowing for immediate corrective action rather than discovering defects only after printing completes. This real-time monitoring represents a paradigm shift from traditional post-process inspection to predictive quality assurance. After printing, parts undergo comprehensive post-process inspection. Parts still attached to the build plate can be scanned using 3D scanners. Following heat treatment and removal from the build plate, coordinate measuring machines perform final dimensional verification. The integration of data across all these measurement stages provides manufacturers with complete traceability and deep understanding of how process changes affect final part quality. As additive manufacturing matures, international standards are being developed to ensure consistency and quality. Organizations like ASTM International and ISO are creating comprehensive frameworks covering material specifications, testing methods, design guidelines, and quality control procedures. These standards enable manufacturers worldwide to produce parts that meet recognized quality benchmarks, facilitating wider adoption of additive manufacturing in critical industries like aerospace, medical devices, and automotive manufacturing. Certification programs are emerging that validate both additive manufacturing processes and the metrology systems used to qualify them. These certifications provide assurance to end users that parts meet stringent quality requirements, building confidence in 3D printed products for high-stakes applications. The future of additive manufacturing metrology lies in artificial intelligence and machine learning integration. Advanced algorithms are being developed to predict potential defects before they occur, optimize printing parameters in real time, and correlate process variables with final part properties. Digital twins, virtual replicas of physical parts containing complete manufacturing and inspection data, are becoming standard practice, enabling unprecedented traceability and quality management. As additive manufacturing continues expanding into new industries and applications, metrology will remain the foundation ensuring that innovation doesn't compromise safety or quality. The marriage of additive manufacturing's design freedom with metrology's precision creates possibilities limited only by our imagination. Additive manufacturing metrology represents the essential bridge between innovative 3D printing technology and the real-world demand for reliable, high-quality products. Through advanced measurement technologies, comprehensive quality control processes, and evolving international standards, metrology ensures that additive manufacturing can fulfill its promise of revolutionizing how we design and produce everything from medical devices to aerospace components. Whether you are an engineer, manufacturer, student, or simply someone fascinated by cutting-edge technology, understanding additive manufacturing metrology gives you insight into how modern innovation maintains the highest standards of quality and safety. As this field continues evolving, one thing remains certain: precision measurement will always be the cornerstone of manufacturing excellence. Thank you for watching Consumer Times. If you found this information valuable, please like this video, share it with others interested in manufacturing technology, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the technologies shaping our world. Leave your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.